Got me a new toy. Gonna make this one quick. Just gonna show you guys a quick demo of my new chainsaw. My little pocket chainsaw. So I'll have this in my back pocket. Let's see how it works. I just oiled it up. You gotta put oil in this thing. Pick this up at the gardening equipment store. I always gotta have new toys. So let's give this thing a shot. Let me see. I'm gonna cut. Let me put my safety, my eye protection. How about this? I'm gonna cut this one. Let's see how it does. So now you guys, I'm gonna try it before you buy it. Wow. Look at that. Boom. I wonder if they sell hockey masks. Let me try that one. Let's see here. Ah! I dropped my phone. Damn it. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Yeah, that thing came down. There it is. Man. See, if you have kids and you want them to do a little yard work, all you gotta do is make it fun. Get yourself one of these little chainsaws and you're gonna run around looking for work to do. Look at this.